This is the very important for CEO and TikTok and Meta, the YouTube all platform. All my posts information to the world, you are control. All my posts, video, and speech, dinidelete nyo at inaalis nyo sa akin dito for information. Well, President for CEO about Lunar Technology and Apps Platform in government policy. Right? You are never first to me. You are lost. You are control, right? You are fake, you are cheaper in for homeliness, speech, and democracy aloof, your justice and educated, pathetic aliens, democracy in your study in this planet Earth. I don't care about the pressure information to the heaven, but a miracle in the Philippines religion in 2015 is revelation. Heaven includes from you. Hell is often from you in this world against the war. You know, stuff your bony and stuff your spit a little, speechless or whatever, educated and satanic Latino, always bad words in meaning of heal, power impossible to heal in the demon power against my spine. You people, President Ministry, President, all devastated to miss attack and will not happen in heaven. This my quit. Right? Hindi na nga kayo sumusuko na akin ng personal. It's just losing for the time and this still it's from you. Shut up. You know, Satan, hindi mo makukuha ang gusto mo. I have the right of death in this pound of the earth. Prepare your best. Tinutukso mo mga tao dahil sa kayamanan. Because you're president, you're evil. Ministry, big frappet. All the battles served in reaching the world about the people this. My fuck. Magprangkahan na tayo. Dahil sa mundo na to, no practical, no educated, but I'll going to lose a pathetic, memorable version of the world about your skull. His goal is homeless, alien, pathetic against you. That's very bad, right? Hindi nga kayo nagbabayad sa akin sa lahat ng platform ko at wala akong nakukuha pera eating or else 2015. Ang lakas pa ng loob nyo. Bakit? They want to money for the people is given all paper information with cheaper and fake and pathetic and always evil meaning don't I can you win about the misfight. Well, you business now this earth antayin nyo mangyayari sa mundo na to.